Hello and welcome back. This is Tony, and today I have the Nano Vector Network Analyzer. It's the H4, has the latest firmware, so without any changes it will work into 1.5 GHz. It has the accessory box. It is already in the plastic casing, so it's a complete kit. Well, let's see what it does. Here we have the package. It came nicely packed, sent as a LED module. Thank you for that. That will save me some import and extra wrappings. Very nice. And then here it is. Look, talking about detail. This looks very nice. It's the H4, which means the H is, I think there's a casing, and the 4 because this is not a 2.4 but a 4-inch, so the screen is a lot bigger. And yeah, so let's see. The firmware is different though from the 2.4 because it uses a different processor, so you cannot do the 0.7 firmware update to make it go to 2.5 GHz, but it will probably come because it is a little bit faster. They put extra padding, that is nice. Let's see. It's the menu, okay. Oh, that looks very nice. It's in English, makes a huge difference. Oh, this is not so bilingual. Smart. What is in the box? We have here the analyzer itself. I did charge it already. You could see I did open the box because I wanted to charge it first. But let's switch it on. Look. It boots super fast and it's already running, but we need to calibrate it first, so we're gonna do that. We check first what else is in the box. Well, we have the charge cable and the cable to connect it to the computer if we want to. There is another. This one is the USB, I think it's an A connector, and then the little USB-C. We have the same USB-C to C. A little cord because it's for portable. We have two straight cables, which is nice. We have a little connector, and then here we have several things. One should be short and one should be 50 ohms. So let's see. I don't know which one is which one. Take some force to take it out. It doesn't say which one is the short. Maybe. Oh no, this is the not the short. This is the open. And then. Sorry. It is stuck. Maybe I need to push it out. Yeah, well, this is clearly the short because it's just all metal. So we have the open, we have the short, and then this should be the 50 ohms. And I will measure that to be sure. So to calibrate that, we probably need to go to a test procedure with the short, with the open, with the 50 ohms, and with the 100% feedback. So let's start. Okay, let's measure the dummy load. 51, so okay, that is more or less our 50 ohms. All the short and the open are well, explaining themselves now. So. Okay, let's see. Power on. It is a touchscreen. Power on button. menu button, left, right, and push. So we can power on. I already charged it. Should be full. Power on. Boom. That was fast. So let's see what we can find. Oh. Well, let's calibrate first before we start anything. Calibrate. Top. I think I need the stylus, but okay. Open. Well, how does this work? I need to find a pen first, I think. Okay, switch on. Boots. It's super fast. I don't know what this is. It's sees a lot. Calibration. How do you say it first? Okay, that looks a lot better. Calibration, calibrate, open. Okay, yeah, I think that was open. And then we short. This is open. Let's get the short. Short. And then we put the load. Well, if it's 50 ohms, it should be in the middle, the 50 ohms. It does. Here is our 50 ohms, so that is okay. Load. Isolation, I have no clue how I should do that. It doesn't say on the paper, so I think the two are isolated right now. So and then I need to put it through. No, this would be the through. Okay, through and done. Save to 0. Okay. Let's connect an antenna. Here I have a diamond dual band for 2 meters, 70 centimeters. It's on a magnet, so I will just put it on some iron in the back, and then we will see what the meter does. Okay, I put it in the corner, so maybe we have less reflections as we had before. It's kind of busy. So let's see first. So we can see, if you look at the yellow lines, we have a dip here, we have a dip here, and we have a dip here. So probably let's zoom in on that. I'm checking here. Where's my marker? Okay. Okay, I was trying to drag the marker, but apparently it doesn't want it, so why not? Ah, there it goes. Okay, that was my mistake. You should not drag the marker, but you should use your buttons on the top, the left, right, and you can push to get the value, I think. So let's see, this is our first dip, and you also see it's going to the center now if you look vertical wise here. So that means we're close to our 50 ohms. Here is already a little dip. What frequency is this? This is 135, and here it is the best value. It's around 141, and then it goes all up. So, and we should have another dip in the 70 centimeters, so we're gonna try that. I put the start frequency on, let's put 410. I'm not sure where the dip is. And then we go up to stop frequency 460. Yes, and here we have another dip. Oh, we need to direct with the arrows. Here's our other dip, almost 50 ohms, frequency of 439. So, well, that is good. Let's see, we can have an SWR, I think. Let's go back, display, format, I think, SWR. And here you can see we have SWR of 1.37 on this frequency. So it's very nice to look at your antenna where it dips. I did see there was a third dip. Okay, I have here also the triplexer again from Diamond, I think it is. And I did use this filter to see how the USB spectrum analyzer worked with the tracking generator. This thing is more or less the same, so we should be able to do the same. The output signal here goes through the filter. We take one of the exits of the filter and we feed it back into the channel 1, and then we should be able to see more or less the same, I think. So let's try. Okay, connected that. It's on the first port. That should start from 1 to, can't read that, to 160. So let's see where it really starts. We move the arrow. We have one dip here. That is 144. And then it goes up, and here it stops. So 144, well, that's exactly where it should be for 2 meters. Now it's to the second port. That should be the 70 centimeters. So if we are around somewhere the 430, that would be great. So we start moving the marker, and we are now in the sweet spot, and it says 432. I think that's close enough. This is a pretty good filter. Now let's see if we can go a lot higher, because to 23 centimeters. Okay, it's connected to the last port of the triplexer. It should be the 23 centimeters. It does not do that by default, I see, so let's change again the stimulus. The start, it will be 1 gig. Okay, and stop, no, 1.5 is the maximum, so the 1.4 gig. And it is actually doing that, so it does go that high, and I see multiple dips, to be honest. So let's see our marker. This is the first dip. That is 1092. Well, that's not really 23 centimeters, but this is 1160. There is a dip. And here we have. Well, it's kind of smart, because it automatically detects if I have my channel 0 for the reflection, or it or if I have a true. Because here I thought, okay, let's I'm impressed. 4 inches, nice big display. It boots super fast. Look at this, bang. I didn't read a manual, I just started playing with it, and it all works like you think it should be. We tested an antenna, we tested the filter. It yeah, I would say it's a go. Go for it. It's $60 and you can do everything. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time.